getting careless. Everything was moving so fast. Everywhere I look, I'm starting to feel time is eating me alive, me alive. Cloud again, my life. Who am I? Time is eating time moves on and on. Can I feel building appetite?
Yeah, so if I would say that my mic is working, that would actually help me to configure the settings. Alright, so oh, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. So, hello guys, welcome back, and this is the very first introductory kickoff call for getting started with cloud technology. I'll just take a moment to check whether the network is connected properly, whether the meet is properly scheduled here. So, I'll just have a quick check. Meanwhile, this meeting is currently being live streamed on YouTube. So I would request everyone in the meeting room to kindly remain muted. All right. All right. So Nandini, are you here? All right. Thank you. All right. So Nandini is also here. Thank you so much for muting. Everyone in the meet, thank you so much for joining today. Allow me a minute to check on with the YouTube first. Mrinali have joined. Mrinali, if you can just check YouTube once. Is the streaming being currently streamed properly or not? All right. So 6 years currently are in, and the streaming is yet good to go. All right. So Nandini, I would request you to manage the meet, and the rest of the users can be there on YouTube as well, right? There are 25 participants. I welcome everyone with a huge round of applause, with a huge round, and you all can unmute in between if you want to ask some questions. All right. Nandini, do let people, okay? And if someone can just a minute, not able to get things. Meanwhile, one student who remains the active shall receive a small token of love from my side, all right, at the last. So be ready. All right, turning on display capture. All good to go. Phew. So welcome back, everyone. This is a long, a session after a very long time where we have started off with the good getting started with cloud. Again, you might be thinking after having a GCCP, after having AWS, now we are stepping in finally into Azure. So yes, I have been training you all since a very long time with Microsoft technologies. Hello everyone, my name is Aman Brijbhushan Tiwari from the city of Oranges, Nagpur. I shall help you to get started with cloud, and I shall surely help you to have a sort of interest being developed. And since most of the audience this time is from the first year, so I would love to have them here. Everyone who all are in the meet and who all have joined me from YouTube can just and from the YouTube people can just comment down. How are you all? Hi Himanshu, hi Brunali, how are you all? All right, and the students who are in the meet, you can utilize the Meet chat box to post down your comments. Nandini, I would request you to please look after for the comments, where I shall start with the Mentimeter now. Nandini.
भैया आप फिर से रिपीट कर सकते हो आपने क्या कहा?
All right. I guess there is some sort of network issue from your side. Okay. So the Meet attendees can utilize the Meet chat box, and the YouTube attendees can utilize the YouTube chat box to post down their comments. All right. So for everyone, I am putting up this thing. Uh, all right. So you can just type menti.com. All right. I'm presenting it. You can just type menti.com and use this code. All right. Are you there, guys? Just Mrunali, it's your responsibility to keep unmuting yourself in the meet and just acknowledge me each time I ask you a question. All right, Mrunali. Mrunali, are you there? Hey, Mrunali, is everything all right? Menti.com. It's
Yeah.
menti.com. All right, Mrunali is also busy. Anyone? All right. So can we have everyone on menti.com? Only Menti, menti, menti.com. Just a minute. Keep sharing the screen here, so you'll get oh, just a minute. All right, so you can see this. I'll just turn off this pop-up box. Ignore present. So everyone, can you please come on to menti.com? Let's see how many people can join us. Menti.com, how many of you have joined me? uh, we'll just have a quick watch. All right, someone have posted fire. How many of you joined? Open Menti note. Need to check how many of you have joined. So let's start. We have pretty good students this time. All right. We have results. Itself. Yeah, all the mentees are live now, I guess. Presentation remote works. So hello everyone. Menti.com, is it live for you all? Shall I go ahead? All right. So I have started receiving thumbs. Two. All right. How many of you joined? Come on, come on. Give me a thumb so I'll get a real count. Three, four. Shall we begin? Ah, 5. Looks amazing. I'm not able to see the chat box, all right? So if there is anything, do let me know. All right, so it's 29. Just you have to type menti.com and enter 29395037 and click on join. Everyone joined? Or is someone having issues connecting? Meanwhile, we'll start. Just 27 views. All right, students are getting engaged here. Okay, I'll just have this meet out of this window so it would help me to. All right, so meet chat is here. Yes, yes, yes. Join everyone. Brunali, Mansi, come on. We'll wait for next 2 minutes, and I want everyone to be on Menti. Menti.com. Come on, fast. All right. So shall we begin? Shall we begin? Join. Yes, 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 yes. All right. Mentita. All right. So here we go. Where are you joining from? Let's see. We have candidates from what all locations? I mean the city, okay. Nagpur, all right. Nagpur is here. The color which gets, the word which gets more bigger and bigger shows the majority of audience. Chandrapur, all right. Chandrapur is also here. Okay. Come on, guys. 12 have responded. Chandrapur. This is amazing. Is Utkarsh along with us? Is Utkarsh along with us? Uh, okay. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Hmm. Only Chandrapur and Nagpur? Only two cities? 20 responses. Come on, guys. Chandrapur, Nagpur. If only Chandrapur guys are here, then and only Nagpur guys are here. All right. Let's dive in deeper now. How many are all are from Nagpur? If I believe, or one or two from Chandrapur. So from where are you in Nagpur? That would actually make sense. From where are you in Nagpur? You can unmute in that case because all the students who are in the meet have an access to unmute themselves, right? You can unmute directly and ask. There are 23 responses. Do you want me to reset it again? Type. Not here. Okay. I believe you don't have to type on the comment section. I believe you're clicking on the comment section. Yeah, here. Chandrapur, okay, Indore, County, Pardi. This makes sense. All right, this is getting interesting actually. Nagpur की public है भाई. Okay, County, Indore, Kuradi. All right, someone on the chat box also. We have to type. All right. So those who are in the meet and were thinking where we have to join, just click on menti.com. All right. When you'll open menti.com, this shall appear. In Menti, you have to type the code. Can just someone share the code with them? Yeah, it's 29395037. All right, 2939507, and just click on join. 2939 2939 5037, I'm sorry, 5037, and just click on join. So as soon as you'll click it, you'll be here in this interface. Then the question shall appear on the left. Where are you joining from? And here you need to type. All agreed? Everyone got it? You need to type here. Okay. So let's go. Let's make it a little more interesting. So where are you? All right. Pardi, County, Bas Nagpur, Indore. Only 35 responses? Okay. Okay. Fine. Let's dive in more ahead. It was having this, map to, engage people who were joining from different location. But since it's Nagpur, I won't. I think I won't be able to do it because it's too minimalistic now. All right. So, what is the one word that comes to mind when you think of cloud technology? Everyone, give that one word that comes to mind when you think of cloud technology.
Cloud storage.
Okay, thank you so much. But you have to not unmute your mic here. All right. Unmuting mic is for if you encounter any problem, you can unmute your mic and ask the question. Meanwhile, you have to answer all these questions on menti.com. Yeah, understood, my friend? The one who unmuted now? Storage, okay. Accessibility, okay. More? Two responses I've received so far. Data storage, all right. What is the one word that comes to mind when you think of cloud technology? Cloud server. Hmm? Open platform for storage. Aman Tiwari? Acha. When you think of cloud, that was I come in your mind. All right, that's great. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, storage, cloud server, platform, independent, accessible. Great, great. This become interesting. Okay. Was data. Hmm. External storage. Hmm. Online storage. Okay. Server. Okay. That's becoming interesting. Come on, guys. Okay. 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 When that comes to Google Cloud Online. All right. Okay then. I've received 26 responses so far. And how many attendees are there in the meet? Around 38. Where are you, rest of the guys? We have to type. You have got it, no, Krish? Everyone in the meet? You've got it, no? Where you have to type, right? All right. So come fast. 34 responses. 34 responses so far. Okay. So let's move ahead. 40 attendees and 34 responses. So I liked it that you are very close to the keywords here. Means you are first year kids and you have this much idea. So this is actually making me very happy. I'm very glad. All right, hearts, likes here. Mhm. Good. So let's move ahead. 28 is what? Let's just check it. What's this? Okay. So moving on to next thing. This is the agenda for the workshop. We have introduced. We have did a bit of brainstorming session, overview of Microsoft Cloud, collaborative activities, Q&A sessions, and wrap up. All right. This is the next question. What challenges do you face when working with cloud technology? Are you getting it? What challenges you face when working with cloud technology? Come on, guys. Security issue, network speed, safety, privacy, you might type in, storage capacity. Okay. Come on, guys. Let's have a check on YouTube also. Yes, got there. I mean, yeah, YP Vlogs. Hi, hi. Hi, guys. This is amazing. We have 5 years from YouTube also. Hmm? Cost management. Okay. Accessibility. Authentication issue. Data misuse. Okay. Cost. Data management. So let's press space to group messages. Sorting the circles from square. Let's check what are the categories in which your comments are getting sorted. So cost management, 4 responses. Security issue, around 2 responses. Storage capacity, around 2. 3 from data management. 6 are new responses, that are configuration error, authentication error, accessibility. All right, data and loss and recovery, reliability, downtime. That seems interesting. Come on. 20 students have mentioned this so far. Incoming questions are not from the audience as of now. Come on. Okay. So you have around mentioned this, right? So now let's go back, and it's around 26 responses. Come on, everyone, be active. 27. First tickets are very intelligence this time, huh? Means when we were in first year, we were only busy with presidentship and leadership, but you all have started off with technical skills is a must thing. All right. So moving ahead, what challenges you face? Don't know. Okay, don't know is also a good option. No, no, I liked it. You don't know, so don't know because you haven't tried it. All right. Moving ahead. Which Microsoft cloud service are you most interested in? A simple question. कौन सा अच्छा लग रहा है? Azure, Microsoft 365, Dynamics, it's Dynamics, sorry, Dynamics 365, Power Platform, Azure 2, Microsoft 7, 3, 12, 4, 30, 4, 14, 5, 14, Power Platform 1, good. No one for Dynamics 365? Okay, finally coming. Okay, okay. 26 responses, 30 responses. Come on, guys. All right, moving ahead. What features do you find most beneficial in cloud technology? What are the features you like in cloud? What is cloud? What is cloud? Cloud is the data you can access from anywhere, right? Google Drive is cloud, right? Your movies are also stored on cloud. Your WhatsApp messages are also stored on cloud. So what feature do you find most beneficial in cloud? Storage, yeah. Efficiency, backup, pretty good. To access and backup, flexibility, enhance accessibility, automatic software updates, okay. Flexibility, accessibility, backup, storage, access to virtual machines, recovery, flexibility, mobility, okay. 18, 20, around 20 response so far. Okay, okay. 25, 26 response. Let's brainstorm, guys. Come on. Those who are in the meet, I shall surely begin a sort of conversational session from you all. Come on, Yogini, Vedant, Vaishnavi, Vaibhavi, Tejas, Tanmay, Siddhi, Shivansh, Shardul, Rudra, Pritucha, Pranav, Prajwal, Palak, Om, Khushi, Kaveri. Thirty-four responses. Shall we move ahead? All right. Next question. What aspects of Microsoft Cloud should we focus on during this workshop? I guess all have given a sort of mixed answers, right? Oh, okay. Security, cost management, integration, scalability, user experience. User experience, I'll choose, no doubt. Security, okay. Integration comes on top. You want to say integration? Oh, user experience comes on top again. User experience on top. Cost management on 14. Slowly cost managing is taking the lead. Oh, it has went down now. User experience have taken the lead now. 43 for user experience and 18 for security. Let's see who wins. Oh, cost management takes up. Security comes on second, I guess. Then cost management again. User experience is ruling at 38. Can cost management beat user experience? Can cost management beat user experience? Let's see. Can cost management beat user experience? Security. Hearts and likes all over. Let's see. Security, user experience. I don't believe now cost management would be an important topic, huh? It's a very important aspect, Cost management is the one where multiple resources gets priced and you're having multiple tires. So I believe you must focus on cost management. Let's see. 30. Only this much. Hotkey overviews. Uh, Countdown. Can I have a start timer? Let's start a timer. Come on. It's a 1 minute timer now. Only 1 minute left to respond. Come on. Okay. User experience. Okay. Security. I guess everyone have responded now, right? Only 30 seconds remaining, guys. Everyone in the meet? Are you all there? Right? Yeah, are you all there? Right. 20 seconds remaining. Come on, guys, fast. Can somehow security come? Can security take on user experience? Come on. 15 seconds remaining. 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oof. Responding is off. Alright. So user experience. Then you'll actually love. You'll actually love Azure. So rank the following benefits of using Microsoft Cloud from most to least important. The last one. The last question for now. Then I'll come back again after a while. But last question for now. Rank the following benefits of using Microsoft Cloud from most to least important. सबसे important वाले को सबसे ऊपर रखो बाकी नीचे. Come on guys. Start. I'll again start the timer. It's 1 minute. Come on. 23, 22, 21, 20 seconds remaining. Cost saving. Most important, right? A close fight between accessibility and performance. Fast. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Performance have finally taken a second rank. It was a bit down accessibility, but okay, fine. Let's see. Are there more responses? No. Okay. So next question is by the way, I said it should be the last question, but still, let's have it. What do you hope to learn from this workshop? Yes, I should know, right? What do you hope to learn from this workshop? थोड़ी बहुत brainstorming तो होनी चाहिए ना guys, right? ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग नहीं होगी तो कैसे चलेगा? गर्मी बहुत है, इसलिए आपके दिमाग का दही करना जरूरी है, सो दैट आपका दिमाग ठंडा रहे. Nandini, they're in the meet. Keep on responding, Nandini. Just a thumbs up won't work, Nandini.
Yes, भैया, I am here.
Yeah, what do you think, Nandini? What do you hope to learn from this workshop? I'm asking you.
Cyber with cloud as your expertise.
Cyber with cloud. Okay.
Yeah, how security is important while dealing with cloud computing.
So understood. AWS service. Okay. So familiar with your AWS offering like EC2, S3, Lambda, RDS, and what? Okay. So grouping up now, sorting the circles from square. Let's see. Cloud. AWS. Okay. Security responses. Let's start voting rather. Voting have been started for you all. Let's see directly from vote. What? Security? Best practice? Compliance security. 1 person voted. 2 people voted. All right. $11 voted. Okay. You can submit your votes, but still submit anyway. Okay. 23 people voted. 24 people voted. 26, 27. Let's start a timer. A 30-second timer. Let's start. You have around 24 seconds left. 31 people voted. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right. So let's see. Final. Let's enter to show the results. Cloud. How cloud works? Okay. Getting you. Okay. What is cloud technology? Oh, okay. Fine. I'll answer this. Next. Cloud fundamentals. Best practices. Okay. What is cloud? Okay. Fine. Security best practices. Practice. Okay. AWS services. Aman Bhaiya, how come Aman Bhaiya come here? Okay, fine. You like me so much. Okay. So, boom. We are again back here. Welcome to Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, another workshop by MLS Sermon, where I shall be helping you to get interest and shall make you skill enough to make you ready for the cloud practice, right? That you will be using Azure in the future. So let's start with this.
The Student Ambassador community is a global community of like-minded students that share a passion for technology and for having an impact in the world.
It's an amazing thing for people that both like social gatherings and in the same time they like tech communities.
It's Microsoft helping folks around our campus.
I wanted to improve my skills and I wanted to get connected with people that can help me do that.
Best benefit is the access to MS Learn and LinkedIn Learning as well.
You get an Azure subscription for tinkering around when you join the community and have completed your first milestone.
You also get to be mentored by Microsoft employees
it's really a very wholesome experience where we're all just trying to help each other grow.
I saw that people were having a lot of fun, but in the same time, they were learning a lot of stuff.
Everything that we have in the community is very inclusive and it welcomes everyone as they are.
This is a great place to learn new skills, to connect with people, to create community, to help others.
Students accomplish so much in this.
All right. So one of the student is responding that the mic is not working. You're not able to hear. You must mention it here. You're not able to hear it. How it's possible? I guess it was.
The student, but they create
Yeah.
content, they run hackathons, they get mentorship, and they put that all on their resumes. And they get full-time jobs when they graduate. It's really amazing.
Anything good that's happening in my career probably started with this program.
Be sure to apply for it. You would definitely enjoy being a Microsoft Student Ambassador.
All right. So this is a small introductory video about Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors, the program which I am currently working. And this program, I would really suggest everyone you should start it right from your first year, because I even joined it when I was in my first year, and this is amazing. This will help you to work a lot on your skills. Okay, this will help you to gain leadership. This will help you to gain great communication skills. You'll be hosting up events, hackathons, and this would be a lot of fun, a lot of fun. So I would suggest everyone that you should join Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador community. Meanwhile, let's move ahead. The people who were on the meet, I guess they might not be able to hear that music because the screen sharing was going on, so tab wasn't shared for that reason. All right. So define cloud computing. What is its need? Describe the shared responsibility model. Define cloud models including public, private, hybrid. Describe types of cloud computing. Describe benefits, availability, scalability. Okay. Reliability and predictability in cloud, and compare cloud pricing models. So let's define cloud computing. Everyone, those who are in the meet, can you unmute yourself one by one? Okay, Nandini shall help you. Those who want to respond can raise up your hand, and Nandini shall pick up random students from the meet who shall unmute the mic and answer. Yes, Nandini, go ahead. Please pick out some students to help me. What is cloud computing?
Okay. So first, Krish. Krish, can you please unmute
Krish,
on
can you
your
please
mic?
unmute your?
Unmute yourself.
You can raise your hands to answer. Remember, the one who is most active becomes the favorite.
Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible, Krish.
Okay, cloud computing is a delivery of computer services like where server, storage, database, and that can
Okay.
instead yeah,
Okay. What's not?
actually and
You only okay. Nice try, Krish. Just keep telling you. Just keep tell your name first and then answer. That's an amazing. That's you scored 98 out of 100 in the definition actually. So cloud computing, good one, Krish. Congrats to you. Cloud computing is
thank you,
delivery
sir.
of cloud computing services over the internet. Anything which you access with the help of cloud are basically a cloud computing service. All right. Anyone else who would like to give an answer? Anyone else?
Kaveri wants.
Yes, Kaveri.
Hello, I'm Kaveri. Cloud computing means using internet to store and access data, software, and service instead of relying on personal computer or the local services.
Okay. This is 100 on 100 answer because she have got around all the keywords which we affiliated. Next,
Renali.
Renali. Renali.
Am I audible?
Renali, are you there?
Yes,
Yeah,
Renali.
you are.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible, Renali. Go ahead.
Yes. Cloud computing basically it helps users to access computing resources like virtual servers हो गया, data storage हो गया, like networking capabilities. हम काफी सारे computing resources stores करते हैं just for Google and Amazon के लिए Azure हो गया. That is.
Okay. Okay. Nice answer, Mrinali. Mrinali have also told us what she thinks about clouds, so I have something to share here again. The students who are in the meet shall not be able to hear it, but you can surely watch on YouTube, okay?
What is cloud computing? Just like when you shop
We
for
have
your own
another one,
computer,
Bhaiya.
cloud
Ronak
computing
Sornawale, the
lets you
one
choose
who
the power
took
and
the
features you
lead
need
in
to
the
run your
chat box.
software.
Yeah.
The difference is,
Just
with
a
cloud
minute.
computing, the PC is in a cloud provider's data center instead of physically with you. This lets you pay for only the services you use. Plus, someone else gets to manage the upkeep of the computer. Each cloud provider will have their own selection of services to choose from, but the basic services provided by all cloud providers are compute power and storage. Compute power is how much processing your computer can do. For example, when buying a home computer, you may choose a computer with 8 gigabytes of RAM and the latest processor to run the software you need today. But as the load on the computer grows, you find that it slows down. With cloud computing, you can add and remove compute power as you need it. This saves on costs, since you only pay for the resources you use. Storage is the volume of data you can store on your computer. A traditional computer has limited hard drive space. Over time, you may have to run out and buy another hard drive to store more data. With cloud computing, you can request more storage as you need it. Cloud providers manage the upkeep of the computer, so you don't have to. They will make sure that there are backups, that the operating system is up to date, as well as making sure that everything is up and running 24 hours a day. So as your business grows and your computing needs change, you can quickly bring on new computing resources in a cost-effective way.
Harsh raised his hand, so let's give him chance.
Yeah, cloud computing is additional storage that exists on internet, but it also allows people to collaborate on the same data from all over the world at the same time. That's why it's very helpful.
What is
Harsh, Harsh wants to answer.
Yeah. When the storage of a laptop or computer is full, you have to buy another hard drive or some kind of additional hard disk to store the data. But with cloud computing, you can just pay for additional data that is stored on the internet, so that it saves the company or the any kind of organization for from buying the hard drives or like hardware and maintaining the hardware. It reduces that cost.
रौनक.
Hello, Aman Bhaiya. So, how I, matlab, what I think cloud computing can help like reducing cost of the, like if we using some databases and we need a particular amount of extra storage, we don't have to buy it. We can just rent it on some AWS services, and which help our cost management. We don't have to manage that particular data service. That would be done by the service which we are renting. And also in the GPU scenarios, if we have to use particular high-end GPU for some time, we don't have to buy it. We can just rent it and like use it as per our need. Mhm. Well, I do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So as I mentioned earlier, that our laptops or our local devices can't like process that many amount of data, which are actual real life scenarios are needed. So we are just going to rent it from some cloud services, and which makes our task easier. Actually, yes, because in cloud services we are using very powerful GPUs and all, and which is not capable to integrate in a single laptop. Yeah, maybe. If the internet is slow, like it's a issue of the connectivity between our service and the service which we are using. But if you are using on our local device, it's completely on the how our device works, how our processor works.
Anurati. Anurati wants to answer.
Hello, Bhaiya. There is four types that is public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. Third year. Yes. Public cloud is computing resource are offered over the internet and shared by multiple users. And private cloud is dedicated cloud infrastructure for a single organization. And hybrid cloud can be combined of public and private cloud. Um, just like public cloud is accessible by many users, can access by multiple groups also, but private cloud can access by only one organization, and hybrid cloud can combine it by both of organizations and maybe on single organization also.
जी भैया नाम लेना क्रिश ओके क्रिश वांट्स टू आंसर
हेलो ओके हाँ तो फर्स्ट पब्लिक क्लाउड पब्लिक क्लाउड का एग्जांपल देखें तो गूगल क्लाउड प्लेटफॉर्म ही जिसमें गूगल अपने को गूगल क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग ऑफर्स करता है मशीन लर्निंग और बिग डाटा एनालिटिक्स। आवाज आ रही है? हाँ और प्राइवेट क्लाउड जो गवर्नमेंट के क्लाउड होते हैं या आईबीएम क्लाउड प्राइवेट होता है, क्लाउड जो प्राइवेट होते हैं वो हमारे जो इन्वायरमेंट और इंटरनेट को सिक्योर भी रखते हैं, उनके जो डाटा है वो सिक्योर रहते हैं। एंड हाइब्रिड क्लाउड टेक एग्जांपल नेटफ्लिक्स स्टोर sensitive data for customer and private data also.
Yes. Anybody wants to answer the question? Pizza Hut or Domino's came under which? Okay, Kaveri say SaaS services, software as a service. Ronak also said SaaS. Siddhi wants to answer. Okay, Siddhi.
It comes under platform as a service and software as a service both. Yes, because Pizza Hut actually like it also delivers the pizza, right? And we can also just go and eat there. So it justifies the all the points that are involved in that. Siddhi.
A service level agreement, or SLA, is a standard industry term. It's the formal agreement between a service provider and customer that guarantees the customer a stated level of service. The service provider may be a commercial company providing the service, like Microsoft when you use Azure services. But SLAs are also used inside organizations in an agreement between the IT department and the business users. Let's look at what SLAs mean for Azure. Azure service level agreements are represented as a percentage related to the service or application's availability. This availability is also known as uptime. If the service was always available to use, you'd say it was 100% available, or it had 100% uptime. An SLA also commonly includes details like what is defined as downtime when the service is unavailable, and any credit you may be entitled to if the SLA is not met. In reality, 100% uptime is difficult and expensive to achieve because it allows no time for taking the service down for required maintenance or upgrades. It would also require duplicating every single component in case one component failed, and would require those backup components to pick up the service tasks with zero interruption to the customer. For these reasons, SLAs of 99%, 99.9%, and 99.95% are more common. 99.99% is also available in some services in Azure. Is there a big difference in a service that's 99% available versus one that's 99.9% available? Yes. A service with a 99% SLA percentage can be unavailable for up to 1.6 hours per week or 7.2 hours per month and still be 99% available. That time is cumulative, which means it can be added up over multiple incidents of the service being unavailable. A service with a 99.9 SLA percentage can be unavailable for only 10 minutes per week, or 43.2 minutes per month. That's clearly a big difference. If the service is critical to your business, minutes versus hours of downtime can make a big difference. But highly available services do come at an extra cost. Each Azure service has its own SLA. Familiarize yourself with them prior to designing any application that runs on Azure to ensure you're optimizing availability against your business needs.
All right. So another advantage, as I mentioned, for scalability, right? So I just left out this. Let's start it from here itself. Cloud services. So we just saw what are SLA, है ना? Just scalability and other specs. Moving forward here, this is starting. Meanwhile, Nandini.
Yes, Bhaiya.
So what we have this time for all our students?
Benefits of reliability and predictability.
No. For cloud challenges,
Okay.
right?
Google Cloud App.
All right. So now we have compare cloud pricing models. So pay as you go pricing models. So in cloud, what happens is you need to only pay for the resources which we are using. If you have taken what we say, if you have taken storage, for example, 1 TB, 5 TB, or 100 GB of storage, so you'll only need to pay for the storage you are using. Okay. If you only want to use 50 GB, you'll only use for 50 GB. Even if you have taken a 100 GB tire, if you are still using till 20-30 GB, you only pay for that. So it's only money you're paying for the resources you use. This is extremely efficient and extremely affordable. So let's summarize. So we have went through all the cloud computing models, all right, the types of services, the type of platform as a service, software as a service, system as a service. We have also mentioned a few types of public, private, and community. This was the new thing we added here, and hybrid. And we have also mentioned what are the benefits of cloud computing service and how Microsoft Azure help us to achieve these. So we have all summarized this, and thank you so much for attending this workshop. You can connect with me over the social media platforms like LinkedIn, Aman Tiwari 2091. You can find this username across all domain, Insta and Twitter as well, the new X. Okay, one handle across all domain. And quiz time, I have actually kept it there. You can also join the very own community. I have kept it inside the orange juice. So since it's very hot outside, right? It's very hot outside. So by scanning this QR, you will feel a bit of relief. ठंडक मिलेगी थोड़ी सी इसलिए I know it it is virtual, but you can just join this group. This group is specifically made by me. For I have even named as Aman Tiwari Aman's Tech Community, where you will be having access to all the events wherever I am, and so till the time I'm hosting up sessions along with Microsoft and Google, I'll be pushing about them. And whenever I'll go in future or to any of the events, including referrals also about the hiring and recruitment notifications and messages, I do keep sharing here. So those who are preparing for placements also, you can join here this group, and where you will be having access to many resources, many actually good connections. I have pretty good connections in the WhatsApp group. This group shall help you to encounter any technical challenges also which you're facing. If you are stuck in the code somewhere, or you're not getting the right logic, and if you want help with the installation, you can just DM in this group. Hello, I'm for example, I'm Himanshu, or hello, I'm Harsh. I want help with this installation. So there will be someone from the group who will be helping you to install. So this is from my side to join our very own community. All right. Thank you so much. And this was all. Now we can again move back towards our favorite this thing, right? I know you all guys are excited towards the Mentimeters. So can we move ahead? Key takeaways, right? Everyone, have everyone joined that group, right? I guess everyone have get the link, or do you want help? All right, I've zoomed it, so you can also scan it. Okay. All right, so I'm again posing it back. Key takeaways. Everyone, come back to menti.com fast. All have came back. All have came back. Right. I can see 2 thumbs ups. Come on, come on, come on. Let's start. Okay. Any final thoughts before we conclude? So you can uh, give me your feedback here. How you find today's workshop? Yes, guys. Any final thoughts? Am I audible to you? Amazing. Okay. Thank you so much. Very nice, engaging, and informative. Thank you. Come on, come on. Only two? Did the event only with 2 candidates? Come on. 3. Mind blown. Okay, mind blown. Got the clear info and knowledge about the foundation of cloud computing. Worth investing my Sunday. Thank you so much for that beautiful comment. Actually, I'm working in startup and we're about to switch to some AWS, so this is going to help me. Thank you. Okay, good. Thank you. Fabulous, interesting, fantastic. The event was job breaking. Oh, thank you so much. That was great. Where it was informative. Okay. Only 11 comments. Come on, fast. Interactive and amazing. Okay. Shall I start a timer to make you guys do it fast? 1 minute. Come on. Quick, quick, quick. "17 responses. Fast guys. Only 36, 35 seconds. All information are nice, but put cloud computing is best. Okay. Amazing. Interesting and informative. Thanks for giving us your time conducting. Thank you. Glad to attend the meet. Amazing. 20 seconds remaining. I believe this will give you some sort of introduction before you start with cloud computing, right? You all were starting with cloud computing challenges, so I believe a prior information was required. Good session. The pizza example made me hungry though. Okay. Okay. I am happy with this. Okay. Uh, can I have the name of the candidate who mentioned this comment? Pizza example made me hungry though. Uh, is the candidate present in the meet? Hello? Nandini?
Let me see, Bhaiya. Um, is the candidate present?
Yeah, please help me find this candidate.
कम ऑन गाइस, तुम्हें मारने नहीं वाले हैं, जस्ट वो कमेंट अच्छा लगा इसलिए वो पूछ रहे हैं.
Come on, tell me guys.
कम ऑन, जिसने भी कमेंट किया है प्लीज. अच्छा, जिसने भी कमेंट किया वो लीड उसका आज का. नाउ कम बताओ. लेट मी टेक अ क्रेडिट. हाँ भाई, देख लो, पे क्रेडिट लेने के लिए आ गए हैं क्रिश.
नहीं. So,
come on.
is it genuinely?
Actually, किसने किया?
Is it genuinely Krish? देखो यार, कोई है नहीं तो फिर क्रिश एक क्रेडिट ले लेगा. Come on.
हाँ वही.
Who was that person?
Jaswita.
Jaswita?
Okay.
Jaswita, would you unmute yourself? Jaswita? Hello, Jaswita.
No, sir.
Shravani. uh, can I approve my request? In the participant group, You're already there. That's the reason you are here in the meet, I guess, right? Nandini have sent the link only to approved participants. Come on, tell me, who was that? Jaswita. Who was that person? All right, Nandini, connect to Jaswita, okay, and let her know her address. Will deliver a pizza to her. Okay, we made her hungry, right? All right. So connect to Jaswita and we shall deliver pizza to him. All right. Within next 30 minutes,
Ronak.
right? और हम लोग right, Ronak? Hmm. That's the reason. That's the reason I was,
Hello,
yeah,
am I audible?
yeah, you're audible. Hi.
Actually, I made that comment. I'm totally unsure. Like, is my browser messing up? I wasn't able to unmute.
What, Dipanshu?
Like, my browser was messing up, I guess, so I wasn't able to unmute.
Unmute. Okay. Yes, Dipanshu, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm sorry I made that comment. I just felt like writing it.
You made that comment?
Yeah.
Which comment, Dipanshu? For the pizza one?
Good session, but please example.
Hey, I'm not offended with that comment. I actually liked it. I love that comment. So Dipanshu,
Okay.
is it you who mentioned we have someone just सबको pizza चाहिए? Okay, okay, okay. Nandini, who was that? Jasmita, right?
या उसने रेस हाँ हैंड रेस किया था जयस्विता गुर ने
Jasmita. No, no, I take a credit now. Krish. Oh.
Okay. Have the pizza, please.
Okay. So it's you who have commented.
Yeah.
Okay. Nandini?
हाँ
Correct to Dipanshu, Jasmita both, and let me find who commented. Okay. And then we shall deliver a pizza to them.
pizza.
Yeah. और वो WhatsApp वाला शरबत. Harsh. Okay. Mark Harsh also then. Nandini.
Okay.
Okay. Correct to Harsh also. शरबत नहीं चाहिए.
DM me. Both of you DM me
Ah.
if you want your rewards.
Okay. So thank you so much for joining in. I guess everyone have. Can I get a QR again for the WhatsApp community? Okay, sure. And just help me.
I have already sent it
You have
on
sent it?
approved candidates group.
Approved candidate. All right. This is your शरबत. जो अभी किसने जीत लिया है? किसने तो मांगा था शरबत ये? All right.
हर्ष
हर्षा.
क्रिश सबका क्रेडिट लेने वाला है आई गेस
दे दो मुझे. Don't worry, Krish. Please that one also. Okay. Thank you so much for joining in, guys. I hope you love the session a lot. Okay. I guess it's you have reached the end of the presentation. Thank you so much. Now I shall end the stream here. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. Could we have a great thank you and bye bye together by everyone by unmuting in next 10 seconds? Okay, in the next 10, we'll say, okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Everyone have to unmute and say only one or two words. Okay, thank you, or just cheer out again. 3, 2, 1, go.
Such an interactive
Thank
section,
you,
sir.
Bhaiya.
for the amazing
Bye, भैया.
Thank you so much.
अमन भैया जिंदाबाद.
Such a lovely voice. Credit दे दो. Credit लाओ.
भैया पिज्जा
Pizza.
भैया
Okay.
पिज्जा
मेरा
very
credit
important session.
मेरा credit लाओ.
All right.
भैया पिज्जा दे दो
Pizza. So this was the thing I was talking about. I know it at times it becomes. So yeah, I've attended today, and I would host a few sessions like this continuously. So you all get connected, and you'll also learn. तुम लोग सीखोगे भी. You'll also spend your Sunday here. क्योंकि अगर हम YouTube खोल के देखते बैठते कि हम चले पढ़ेंगे तो हम शायद नहीं पढ़ पाते, right? But once it's an interactive session, we keep on interacting, and it's my humble request, use that participant WhatsApp group to communicate between yourself, right? You need to communicate, you need to post down your questions, your doubts, and then you can, make the best use of this opportunity. It's not just because of pizza you all are here, right? It's because you want to learn. And believe me, in the first day itself, you have stepped in to start with the great challenge for the Google Cloud. So this is gonna help you a lot. So thank you so much, guys. I'm ending the stream. Thank you so much. We're ending the stream. Better luck for rest of the candidates who couldn't make it to the cloud. I request they can, join another cohorts. But 30 April was the last, 30 March was the last to enroll here, and we will be sending the invitation mails to them. All right. Thank you so much. It's 4:19 and it's Aman Tiwari signing off. Take care. Bye bye.